Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open File Explorer and navigate to the folder containing the Excel file. Look for the file name and the XLSX extension to confirm you have the correct document. Check the file size if you need to confirm content before deleting. If the file is in a synced folder, note OneDrive sync status before removing it. Right-click the Excel file to reveal options like Open, Rename, and Delete. This prepares you to remove the correct file safely. Right-click the file and choose Delete to send it to the recycle bin. This action allows recovery if you change your mind later. Hold Shift and press Delete to permanently remove the file immediately without using the recycle bin. Confirm the permanent delete when prompted to avoid accidental loss. If you want a free disk space now, open the recycle bin and choose Empty Recycle Bin. Emptying clears all deleted files and frees storage on your drive. Open the recycle bin and select Restore to recover a recently deleted Excel file. If the file synced with OneDrive, check the OneDrive recycle bin and version history for recovery options. Use file history or your backup solution to restore the file if it is not in the recycle bin. If you permanently deleted the file with Shift plus Delete, rely on backups or recovery tools as a last resort. Regularly backup important Excel files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.